Welcome for joining at one of our newer videos on a construction site. This is a BMO Mini in Markham, 8111 Kennedy Road. Basically what we have here is about 4,000 feet of 24 by 24 porcelain tile. Okay, so this is it. We were shut down when they shut the construction site, and basically we had one more day of base to grout, and another project all done. If you're looking for commercial work, for good installations of this type of work, give us a call at 416-937-8115, and we'll gladly come over and give you a price and a quote. So I'm just going to do a little walkabout on the installations here and this whole showroom section for the vehicles. The little minis that you could see through the glass there are going to be all distribute inside here. Okay. So what they want to basically is also base with the metal edging. As you could see, there's the metal edging finish on it. This door eventually will have a glass door where all the vehicles come in and so on. Again, you know what, this is basically what we do for the last 25 years, tile installations. We also do residential custom, dry pack leveling floors to make your floors look like a sheet of glass. And we also did this feature wall with the bricks that they asked us to do it. We typically don't do this type of stuff, but they were in desperate need of getting some installer to come and do it, so we obliged and we agreed to do it for them. No problem. So I'll leave you with this video. Check out precisionmarbleandtile.ca website. You could see our other videos and photos of before and after of our pictures of all our jobs, so you get an indication, you know, they're just not magazine pictures, but all our actual work. Okay. Obviously the floors are a little bit dirty, but you know, this is a construction site, so apparently they're going to be opening up in a couple of days, so they will be clearing out everything around here and mopping and cleaning up the floors ready for a showroom. Okay, again, give us a call at 416-937-8115. We'll come over and give you a quote or give you any information that you need to know to get your job started right the first time. Take care. Be safe and stay healthy.